It's one of the most popular drinks in the world. 36,000 bottles are filled on each production line. Every day, 150 trucks full of Pepsi leave the factory. It's sold in a staggering 200 countries. Have you ever wondered how PepsiCola is made? We visited the largest Pepsi factory in Europe to find out how PepsiCola is made. Created in 1893 by American pharmacist Caleb Bradham in North Carolina, the drink was originally called Brad's Drink and was produced in the creator's home. Later, the name was changed to PepsiCola. It was marketed as a tonic for stomach ailments. Soft drinks are incredibly popular beverages made mainly from carbonated water, sugar, and flavourings. In the early 1880s, pharmacists experimented with powerful stimulants to add to soda water, including cola nuts and coca leaves. In 1886, an Atlanta pharmacist named John Pemberton took the fateful step of combining coca and cola, creating what would become the most famous drink in the world, Coca-Cola. Until the 1890s, soft drinks were produced manually, from individually blown bottles to filling and packaging. Over the next 2 decades, automated machinery greatly increased the productivity of soda plants. Pepsi reformulated its PepsiCola recipe to more closely resemble Coca-Cola. As a result, its sales began to rise rapidly, and in some regions, it even surpassed Coca-Cola. This factory is PepsiCo's largest plant in Europe. The PepsiCo plant was founded in 1991 and is now one of the largest beverage factories in the world. After numerous upgrades in recent years, the plant now covers 31,000 square meters with 6 production lines. But what does it take to make a Pepsi? It all starts with water, which in this case comes from one of 4 water sources at the plant, located 250 meters underground. The water undergoes a thorough filtration process. Water quality is crucial to the success of a soft drink. Carbonated water makes up to 94% of a soda. Carbon dioxide adds that signature fizz and also acts as a mild preservative. CO2 is especially suitable for soft drinks because it's inert, relatively inexpensive, and easy to liquefy. Pepsi's signature flavour is created by adding concentrate to the water. Its recipe is a closely guarded secret over 100 years old. The concentrate is produced at only 3 facilities in the world. This factory uses the concentrate produced in Cork, Ireland. Each day, 20 types of syrups are prepared to meet production needs. The concentrate is mixed with water and sugar, although there are also several sugar-free Pepsi varieties. Sugar adds sweetness and body to the drink, improving the mouthfeel, an important component for consumer enjoyment. To prevent the growth of microorganisms and spoilage, preservatives are added to the mix. Antioxidants help preserve the colour and flavour. The ingredients are transported to batch tanks where they are carefully mixed. Carbonation is added to the finished product. The drink is lightly pressurised with carbon dioxide. Once the mixture is complete, the beverage is ready and moves on to the bottling line. Plastic bottles are made from special preforms. After heating, they're inserted into moulds that give them the correct shape and then blow moulded. Everything happens at extreme speed. Now it's time to fill the bottles with the beverage. The final step is adding the cap and the label. At every stage of production, employees and special systems ensure that Pepsi always tastes the same. Individual product batches are meticulously controlled in the lab, where technicians test for many quality factors, like the exact amount of carbon dioxide and sugar. The drink is now ready for packaging. Robots arrange the number of bottles according to customer orders, and the packaging machine places them in boxes and on pallets ready for shipping. The plant produces 60 types of products in various sizes and packaging formats. There's also a glass bottling line. Empty bottles are washed first. High temperatures help remove the labels too. They must also check that the glass isn't damaged. Clean bottles are refilled and packed into boxes. They're then stored and picked up by delivery drivers. Trucks are filled with Pepsi bottles and sent to stores and supermarkets. Aluminum cans are another popular packaging format. They arrive at the factory directly from the manufacturer. After loading them onto the line, they're sent to the filler, where the drink is dispensed. After filling, the lid is applied and sealed. Next, the cans are flipped upside down to check if the seal is tight. At the end of the line, the cans are turned upright again and packed into cardboard trays. 36,000 bottles are filled on each production line to meet all the demand. But what's your favourite drink? Pepsi or Coca-Cola? Leave your opinion in the comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might find it interesting. Also, subscribe to this channel and activate notifications to keep learning. See you next time.